Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja Pawar Arts. So today I will make the sketch of Karan Lutra and Preeta from the serial Kundli Bhagya. So let's start our video. So here I used only graphite pencil to complete this sketch. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel fast. For more artworks, you guys can follow me on my Instagram art page. I will give the link in the description box below, and the name is also mentioned here. So go and check my all artworks. So this is the final work I hope you all like it. Tell me on the comment section how it is looking and what you next want sketch or drawing. Tell me on the comment section please. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.